Bought myself a little toy. No, it's not for me. It's for more like a family thing. It's a little helping hand with UK's dampness, because in this country it is messy with this condensation and all that kind of. This is Dehu 20-liter dehumidifier. The question is, will it work? Will it do what it's supposed to do? That's the question. There's so many of them in the market. This one, good reviews, silent, blah blah blah. And it's supposed to also help with the laundry. Ta-da! It's kind of light. It's not really massive, but the main thing, oh, it's got the rollers. Is that nicely everything packed? I assume that this is ta-da! Look at this. How do you open this? No, the question is, do you need to open this? I think that's where you see how much water is in there, right? Right. Well, what do we have here? I think we need to take the plastic off. Right. Oh, come on. It's already damaged. Well, slightly. Right. Officially unpacked. Officially all good. What is this? Oh, wait a second. That is... It's not that pipe thing that goes in here or something. I don't know. The pipe came with it. I don't know where to stick it. Now the question is, do I go and read all this stuff, or do I just go and press the button? It's all connected now to the socket. Off, power. Oh flip. It's blowing. Right, calm down. Blow. No laundry on. No idea. Right. I think I'm gonna have to read this thing. The LED display will show the current humidity level. 82% humidity level. Right, okay. So officially it is 10 o'clock, or 10:20 to be precise, in the evening. I just switched it off. It's done the other room and this room. And let's have a look. First time I'm taking this off. So, how'd you take it off? Ooh. Whoa. Hold on a second. There's water in there. So this room started with 78, I think it was, or 80 something. Gonna put a picture. And then it came up to 65, which is right now. I'm not sure if you can take this off completely. I want to see exactly how much water in there. Yeah, I'd say there's plenty of water in there. There you go. That's how much water in there right now. That's pretty decent. That is the water that's in the bedroom, collecting it from two bedrooms actually. Anyway, so officially, little Doe, thank you very much. You've done well. Passed.